Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Modelworks, and this is build update part 1 of Tamiya's 1/48 scale German main battle tank Leopard 2 A7V. Now, obviously we've got the background information sheet here because she's all built and painted in NATO green, as she has been for months. Because I've been busy on other projects. So obviously, hopefully, in the next few days, we're going to get her in the tritone camo. So what we've got to do here first, because obviously a lot of parts have had to have been glued on with white glue, purely to make it easy for paint it to match in the camo, etc., etc. Saying that, this is quite weighty without the weights. So my first job is the wheels, or masking up the tracks, because we don't need to worry about them being NATO brown and black, etc. Let's point that on there. His mum's carer. Yes, I had a distinct lack of wanting to finish this one off, because basically I built it and it went together very well. So I had a distinct lack of mojo with the kit. And because obviously these tracks go multicolored, and you just want to protect the tracks, because I spent a lot of time painting them. Cover the track up there. That's one side near enough done. I shall pause it there, and we'll get the other side done, and I'll see you in a bit. Right, that's all the tracks all masked up, both sides. Next job will be to lay down some NATO black and NATO brown on the upper hull and the turret over here. The turret is absolutely sodding massive, by the way. Yeah. So obviously I need this off to apply it to the turret, because obviously we've got to get all the way up here, because it's all hidden, because a lot of overhangs on the turret. So I'll see you in a bit. And we're back in the room. Yep, she's all camoed up. I had to take some creative license with the camouflage, like so. It does look quite funky. One little observation I want to make, I forgot to mention it, because I suddenly realised after I snapped that aerial off. Brittle plastic has a tendency to snap. These handrails, well, this one in particular, snapped when I cut it off the sprue. Literally, it snapped when I went to fit the part, and so the part disappeared into the ether, and never to be seen. Well, in theory, never to be seen again. However, sod's law, when I was making a replacement part, it turned up. So make of that what you will. So I thought I'd quickly show you her at this stage. I'll pause it there. Next thing I'm going to go and detail paint it up, so the rubber black pen will come in useful, because we've got to paint all the sodding tracks up on it. Yes, we shall be rather busy, so I'll see you in a bit. And we're back with the Leopard 2 build. So obviously I've been busy detail painting it up, so hopefully today we'll get it clear coated and ready for some varnish. Obviously I've not painted the cables yet, but unfortunately we've got to drop pieces off the tank. So at least we know which side it goes on, because one of them broke the oh, we're lucky the tabs didn't break off, so we're going to have to repaint that and clear coat those separately. Obviously we're going to have to spray it up in there for because we've got to put some German crosses on there first. It's rather a pain, I know, but hey ho. Actually, we'll get it clear coated like that. So I'll see you in a bit. And we are back by the miracle of television. It's all cured. It's all well, it's still tacky in places. Been given a gloss coat of X22 clear, so it will do for the decals. So yeah, the boxes have been clear coated both sides, so we should have fun putting some decals on them. But hey ho, and obviously get the German crosses there and there. So that's a short one from me now, so I'll see you anon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.